What is up, Seasoning Gang Cravings? It's your man, Cravings with Carlos. What's going on today? So my wife kind of let the cat out of the bag. I was trying to surprise you guys, but anyway, I'll tell you about it in a minute. Here at my mom's house making what Arkansas people like, fried chicken wings. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. No recipe today, just talking to you. See, they're looking pretty good. Anyway, we sold our house in Georgia. We put the sucker on the market and it sold within 24 hours, talking about the grace of God. Anyway, my wife's father gave us 10 acres of land and a house in Austin, Texas. But when we went to Austin, Texas, we were like, nah, it's too hot. Too many snakes, too many scorpions. So guess what? That'll be a vacation home. Anyway, we've been here visiting family during COVID, the ones that have been quarantined, and we finally decided, hey, we want to be back home. So guess what? The same way we took you guys on the adventure with our last house, building it, you'll be seeing our new house getting built also here in Arkansas. So for those of you that want to know, please don't ask in the comments section. If you know me, you can ask personally. I won't be telling you exactly where we are because I don't know everybody on YouTube. And I don't want to, tell somebody where we are and there may be some creeps on here. Anyway, if you know me, you can always ask. But we got some lakefront property. You'll be seeing some fishing out of my backyard. No, it's not bragging. It's all the grace of God. So everybody that knows me know that I never brag and boast. Hey, you need to see my shirt. People that know me here in Arkansas, they know exactly how I am. So the same way we took you on that last adventure with the last house we had built, get ready for this new one. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for supporting me, everyone. Let's run this thing up to 1,000. Love you. God bless. Get ready because I'm going to take you on a tour of our 2020 camper that we just bought too, guys. That I was so excited about that thing because, hey, everybody's working from home now. Why not vacation while you're working from home? We can drive that thing all weekend and park wherever we want to be for the week. But we decided to stay here in Arkansas for a little while because, like I said, my mom just had surgery. We want to see all the family that's quarantining, so we can see them. And whoever else, that's staying home for a while. Because, hey, we're not around anybody and we're always sanitizing.